title is Anti-Nuclear Power Plant in Philippines. Madam and Sir, I am Franco Apollo Arcus and I stand before you today to voice my strongest opposition to the proposal of having nuclear power plants in the Philippines. On the surface, the promise that nuclear energy may hold is attractive. However, we need to consider the long-term risks and environmental effect as well as the better alternatives available for us. Let me present three critical reasons why nuclear power plant is not the solution for our nation. Risk to human and environmental security. Nuclear power is by nature a capacity for public and environmental safety risk. We hardly have to look that far back to Chernobyl and Fukushima disaster to note how nuclear accidents leave permanent marks on the environment, as well as loss of life and dislocation of community altogether. No source of energy is completely immune to such mistakes, natural disaster or mechanical failure. Although technology does continue to improve with time, in the Philippines, located over the Pacific Ring of Fire, and frequent earthquakes that knock on the country's door, the risk of nuclear disaster run too high. The risk of catastrophic impact outweighs the advantage in such a world. Long-term problems of waste management. Nuclear power produces highly radioactive waste that stays toxic for thousands of years. There is hardly infrastructure and technical capacity in the Philippines for such a poison. Once produced, this type of dangerous material need to be kept in facilities that are quite secure. It is a bit of challenge for us. We cannot pass on toxic nuclear waste to future generations for millenniums to come. We need alternatives that are accessible and sustainable, not addition to the problems that already exist. Alternative option for renewable. Philippines is abundant with natural resources in sunlight, wind, and geothermal energies. All these come much cleaner and much safer and much more viable than nuclear energy. Solar and wind energy have plummeted in price and become ever more technology sophisticated. Neither it entails the possibility of catastrophic failure or toxic waste. Investing renewable can make the energy system cleaner and safer, and more resilient and more consistent with our long-run environmental and economic goals. Germany and Costa Rica are both examples that prove it can be done right without ever relying on nuclear power, for which the danger remains a constant threat. Conclusion. In a nutshell, nuclear energy may seem like easy energy fix for our issues, but indeed the dangers to our safety and our planet futures. That it poses intolerable problems with natural renewable resources which give us clean energy and do not pose potential hazards. Similar to those nuclear power, it's now time to focus on solutions that protect both our people and our planet like wind, solar, and geothermal energy. Let's choose more a secure and friendly future for the Philippines, one with health benefits and well-being for our citizens and environment. Thank you. That's the end.